ABS has always been one of the most important materials in 3D printing, predating even PLA. But for years, there's been a compromise. You either print a standard ABS that's relatively easy to work with, but struggles in higher heat applications, or you move into high-performance polymers that are a completely different level of commitment. Today, we're introducing two brand new materials designed specifically for modern enclosed printers: Polymaker ABS Pro and Polymaker ABS Max. Two new engineering grade filaments offering the best-in-class ABS properties, allowing you to get the very best out of this legendary filament. Over the last few years, enclosed printers have evolved incredibly fast. These formerly difficult to print materials are much more accessible, and from a material science point of view, it means we can push the boundaries further on mechanical and thermal properties. For this video, I'm going to stay away from fiber reinforced composite materials and focus purely on neat polymers in the comparison. For many applications such as skin contact, medical, sterilization, chemical contact, or RC parts, fiber reinforced parts are not suitable. Furthermore, for those who prefer brass or printing with 0.2mm nozzles, fiber reinforcement can cause some issues. So what exactly does the Pro and the Max mean, and what benefit do they offer? If we dive straight into the numbers and compare the HDT of Polylite ABS, Polymaker ABS Pro and ABS Max, we can instantly see the added temperature benefit of these two new materials, with the Pro version offering an extra 14 degrees and the Max version an extra 24 at 1.8 megapascals. An extra 14 degrees might not sound like a lot, but for me, that's the difference between shorts and t-shirt in the summer and a winter jacket and jumper. If we line up Polylite ABS, ABS Pro and ABS Max in an oven flag test at 150 degrees, you get a better visualization of the temperature differences these new materials offer. If we then introduce some contenders in a like-for-like oven showdown set at 200 degrees with ASA and PC joining the mix, we see the ASA go down just after the ABS, then the Pro, and finally the PC and ABS Max simultaneously. But where these materials really shine is when they're put to work in high heat environments. To simulate this, I've drilled some holes in the corner of each flag with a small jig and put M10 nuts on key rings to simulate an off-center load during the test. This time we set the oven to 115 degrees and quickly we see the ABS and ASA flags start to buckle. Next, the ABS Pro starts leaning before the PC flag gives way. The ABS Max flag holds on a little longer, winning this off-center load test. If we run the test again and introduce some even more exotic materials such as PC ABS, Nylon 6 and Nylon 12, we see the Nylon 12 go first, followed by a slight slump in the Nylon 6. It's worth mentioning here that these parts have not been annealed and all flags are straight off the print bed. Then the ABS Pro, and it's neck and neck between the ABS Max and the PC ABS. For custom printer builds such as Voron or RatRig systems, where components experience constant belt tension, vibration and thermal cycling, ABS offers the long-term reliability needed to prevent sagging, loosening or warping over time. This is called creep. Unlike softer or more flexible materials that slowly deform over time, ABS has a strong balance of toughness, heat resistance and dimensional stability, making it ideal for structural components such as printer mounts, brackets, gantries or enclosures. Both ABS Pro and ABS Max display exceptional creep properties, and to properly test this, we sent samples to a third-party laboratory specializing in creep testing. We ran tests using 3D printed samples for 600 hours inside a temperature-controlled tensile tester. If we look at the graph, both materials display a linear path around the 50-hour mark, but where ABS Max really shines is the angle of this line as it diverges away from ABS Pro. After 600 hours of testing, ABS Max sample shows a creep strain of just 0.5%, with ABS Pro at 0.8%. ABS Pro was designed specifically for modern enclosed printers with passive chamber heating. This is the material for users who already understand ABS but want more thermal reliability, better creep resistance and more confidence in functional applications. ABS Pro delivers HDT up to 109 degrees, improved creep resistance, better thermal stability, higher reliability under sustained heat, and importantly, it still remains practical to print. The recommended settings are 270 to 290 on the nozzle, 110 on the bed, and chamber temperatures around 50 degrees, enclosed but not actively heated. This isn't easy ABS, this is performance ABS, and it's still achievable on mainstream enthusiast hardware. ABS Pro is really aimed at the prosumer engineering crowd. If you're building custom printers, designing functional prototypes, making brackets, housings, fixtures, clips, or producing parts that sit near moderate heat sources, this material starts making a lot of sense. ABS Max takes this one step further and provides the best-in-class heat resistance for an ABS filament. We have really pushed the boundaries of what's possible with ABS. However, it's worth noting that this material is designed for actively heated chambers. ABS Max requires 65 degrees or higher active chamber heating, 120 on the bed and 300 on the nozzle. This is not a casual ABS material, this is for users chasing maximal thermal performance from an ABS platform. ABS Max delivers extreme heat resistance, best-in-class creep resistance, higher TG and HCT performance than ABS Pro. This is a material for parts that need to survive serious thermal environments. Think engine bay components, firewall-mounted automotive parts, industrial fixtures, high-temp functional systems. If ABS Pro is a serious enthusiast, then ABS Max is I need this part to survive. So where are the gains and where are the trade-offs? ABS Pro advantages: easier to print, works more on enclosed systems, faster printing capability, larger color selection with 2 gradient colors, fire and ice. ABS Max advantages: maximal thermal capability, superior long-term creep resistance, better performance in sustained high heat. The reality is, desktop 3D printing is evolving incredibly fast, and materials need to evolve with it. As the printers get better, the need for printability declines, and that allows us to push the limits on material properties. Polylight ABS was formulated in 2018 and was specifically engineered to solve some of the pain points that were common with printing ABS at that time. In 2018, your options for consumer 3D printers that were enclosed didn't come with air filtering options as standard. So primarily, we developed a resin with significantly lower odor during printing, as the smell and VOCs from printing ABS were problems which hadn't been solved by the hardware. Secondly, we tried to reduce the warping, prioritizing the printability of ABS, which was successful. However, there's always a trade-off, and in Polylight's case, it was thermal properties. ABS Pro and ABS Max are our answer to that. One bridges the gap between standard ABS and ultra-high performance polymers, and the other pushes ABS performance to a level that previously required much more specialized materials. If you've been chasing the pinnacle of ABS and need prints that not only print beautifully but stay dimensionally accurate at a working temperature, then this is it. ABS Pro and ABS Max, 2 new engineering grade ABS materials built for the next generation of functional printing.